I just got off the phone with a lady who said they want to deliver the dryer that I bought before Yom Tov tomorrow. I told her I was surprised that companies were still working in highly non-essential items like drying machines during a war. Sure, she said to me, sure we are. Before we got off the phone, she said to me in Hebrew, be safe, be well. Besorot tovat l'klal Yisrael. May we hear good news soon. Who is like your people Israel, one nation in the world? The feeling of unity here in Eretz Yisrael is incredible. My son-in-law just got back from the south where he and some friends were dispensing homemade food and supplies to the soldiers. He told me you can't believe how happy they were to see us. It wasn't the homemade cakes, it wasn't the homemade sandwiches, it wasn't the homemade anything, it was the homemade love. We say in the Mincha prayer on Shabbat afternoon, Ata Echad, you, God, are one. V'shimcha echad, and your name is one. Umi ka'amacha Yisrael, goy echad ba'oretz, and who is like your people Israel, one nation in the land. To the extent that we are goy echad, one nation, so Hashem's name will be one. The world will see that there's one God who runs everything and nothing is random. God's unity and the unity of the Jewish people are inextricably linked. It's axiomatic that God is one. If we do not unite in love and joy, Hashem will unite us some other way, in grief and war. May Hashem protect His people, all of the soldiers who stand ready on the borders, who are now going into action to defend His people. May He protect Klal Yisrael and all the places of the diaspora very soon. May our eyes see God's return to Zion, to Zion in mercy. Amen.